This Freeman Pneumatic framing and finishing nailers and stapler combo kit with canvas bag is an essential set of tools for professional construction contractors at the job site as well as DIYers tackling home improvement and repair projects. This collection of air-powered nail guns and a stapler covers your framing to finishing needs and includes a 21° 3/2 inches full round head framing nailer, 15-gauge 34° angle 2/2 inches finish nailer, 18-gauge 1/4 inches brad nailer, and 18-gauge 1/4 inches narrow crown stapler. The powerful framing nailer is specifically designed for tasks such as framing, sheathing, truss assembly, roof decking, subfloors, fencing, furniture, and assembling pallets and shipping crates. This durable nail gun features a one-piece drive blade made of hardened steel and a lightweight magnesium body. Put the finished nailer to work on door and window casing, molding, trim, chair rails, cabinetry, and other fine finish applications. The 34° angle of the magazine makes it easy to access corners or tight spaces, and the dual mode trigger allows to easily switch between sequential or bump firing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. When the focus is on the accuracy, use the sequential mode. When speed is the name of the game, engage the bump fire option and get to work. The brad nailer is ideal for interior and exterior finish and trim, furniture, cabinetry, picture frame assembly, and hobbies and crafts. An oil-free design eliminates the need for regular maintenance and prevents stains on your work surface. The narrow crown stapler is perfect for projects such as decorative trim, cabinetry, cabinet backing, and hobbies and crafts. The No-Mar safety tip prevents damage to your work surface, ensuring professional results. A canvas carrying bag, air tool oil, and adjustment tools are included. The pneumatic framing and finishing nailers and stapler combo kit with canvas bag will allow you to complete a wide variety of home improvement and repair projects quickly and easily. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful combo. This kit features 4 of Freeman's most useful pneumatic nailers to cover all your framing and finishing needs. A framing nailer, a finish nailer, a straight brad nailer, and a narrow crown stapler. The kit includes a rugged canvas carrying bag. Number 2. Heavy duty and fine detail. The nailers included in this combo kit are ideal for everything from heavy duty work like subfloors, roof decking, fencing, and pallet building to fine detail work like cabinetry, crown molding, window casings, baseboards, and trim. Number 3. The right tool for the job. We're committed to providing outstanding value, top-tier customer service, and long-lasting, high-quality products. We make nailers and staplers for every purpose, from roofing to siding to flooring and everything in between. Number 4. Tough and dependable. We make an array of durable construction tools and accessories, including staplers and nailers for siding, flooring, framing, finish, and roofing. Compare our products to similar items by Makita, Hitachi, Bostitch, Senko, Passload, and Duald, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.